Welcome back to our channel. Now the question, can a shareholder file a petition under section 241 of Companies Act 2013 even if their shareholding has been reduced and that very reduction is under challenge? Section 241 for operation and mismanagement. We'll discuss the case law Asha Devi Daga and another versus Deepak Industries Ltd. This is Kolkata Bench. Company petition 40/KB/2023. The background: the petitioners filed a petition under section 241 alleging operation and mismanagement in the affairs of Deepak Industries Ltd. However, as per records, the petitioners held less than 10% of the shareholding. On the date of filing of the petition, the petitioners held less than 10% of the shareholding. The petitioners argued that their shareholding was wrongly reduced and they are entitled to relief without fulfilling the threshold under section 244. Here the key legal issue, whether the petitioners whose shareholding had allegedly been reduced could maintain a petition under section 241 without seeking a waiver under section 244. Section 241 says relief in case of operation and mismanagement, whereas in section 244 requires members holding at least 10% of the issued share capital to file a petition under section 241. So proviso to section 244 subsection 1 allows the tribunal to waive the threshold requirement in appropriate cases. So the observations, the requirement of holding not less than 1/10 of the share capital is a mandatory for initiating proceedings under section 241. The fact that reduction in shareholding is being challenged does not automatically grant the petitioners standing under section 241. They must obtain a waiver under section 244 if they don't meet the threshold. Failure to do so is a jurisdictional defect and the petitioner cannot be entertained. These were the observations. So the final decision, the NCLT dismissed the petition, holding that it was not maintainable in the absence of requirement of 10% shareholding and valid waiver application under the proviso to section 244. So here the takeaway is if the shareholders' stake fall below 10% threshold, even due to contested shareholding issues, they must first seek waiver under section 244 before filing a section 241 application. So these reinforces mandatory nature jurisdictional thresholds and encourages procedural discipline under Companies Act 2013. We have two channels, RR Corporates and RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe, hit bell icon so that you will not miss any of the latest videos. Thank you.